Paying vendors in QuickBooks Online is simple and helps you track expenses, manage accounts payable, and maintain good relationships with vendors. Here's how to do it. Log into QuickBooks Online. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to Pay Bills. On the left-hand menu, click on Plus New. Under the Vendor section, select Pay Bills. Select the vendor and bill. A list of unpaid bills will appear. Select the vendor you want to pay by checking the box next to the bill. You can pay multiple bills at once if needed. Enter payment details. Payment account. Choose the bank or credit card account you're using to make the payment. Payment date. Enter the date of the payment. Payment method. Select how you're paying the vendor. If paying by check, you can choose to print the check or record the check number manually. Confirm the payment amount. Ensure the payment amount is correct. You can also make partial payments if necessary by adjusting the amount. Save and close. Once details are entered, click Save and Close to record the payment.